at you. Mail call, new pickup, Samsung Z Fold 2 5G. Gonna get right into it. Not wasting any time. I'm gonna show you how to transfer your information by using a smart switch. You can do it by computer or you can do it by phone. Of course, when you try to use the phone to set it up, it goes through that process for you and it tells you how to data and your apps. It downloads smart switch into your new device. Use your old device. You'll need an Android phone or Apple device. Next, checking for updates. Get connected. What's your old device, Android or Apple? Click Android. How do you want to connect devices? Cable or wirelessly? I'm going to try cable. I'm going to be transferring the information from my S20 Ultra to my Z Fold. So I'm going to click cable. Connect your devices through the cable. Use the USB connector to connect the devices. Now, I didn't check the box to see if it came with a USB connector, but I have these from my previous phone, from my S20 Ultra and my Note 10. So I'm going to use one of these, and it says connect. So I'm going to put the phone down and go ahead and connect it. Now, this is Type C. This kind of made it inconvenient because that's a USB. Everything is Type C on both of the phones. And the USB I have that plugs to the fast charger is Type C on both ends. So I had to go find the USB Type C. But I'm gonna put this down. So here we go. The end, USB, plug it in. That's the Type C. And then the other end is Type C as well. So it says connect this to the new phone. So I'm going to plug this into the Z Fold 2 carefully. And then I'm going to plug the other end of the USB into my S20 Ultra. Check your old device and make sure it tells you where to send your stuff. Send me a notification, click allow. Here we go. Connecting to the Z Fold 2 5G. Connecting to bring your data. So we just wait. There we go. Searching, bringing data. So it's doing everything automatically. It pulls up and it starts transferring. It's at 18%. Searching Caddy G for data to bring, scanning media files. It's at 26%. This is connected. It's the S20 Ultra, which is connected to the Z Fold 2. So I'm going to pause this and then I'll be back once it's almost to 100%. Okay, I'm back. Went a little faster than I expected. So choose what to bring. Calls, contacts, messages, apps, settings, home screen, secure folder, images, videos, documents, Now, one thing that I learned, you see it says SD card. If you do it on a computer, that all the SD things will automatically be checked. Make sure that's unchecked because that's what's going to take the longest. As you see, 70 gigabytes of images, 25 gigabytes of audio, 12 gigabytes of video. So make sure that's unchecked. Scroll back up. It says non-selected 20 gigabytes. It's going to take about 8 minutes. Connected to the Z Fold. So what I'm going to do, everything's selected. Make sure the SD card isn't selected. And then click transfer. And then here we go. You've seen it unlocked. Copy to your new device. Copy your Google account, other accounts, and restore your Google backup if available. Click copy. It's going to ask for your password. You have a password. Here we go. And get connected. Keep the cable connected. Once the setup is done, you can check the status of your transfers and your notifications. Right here, on my S20 Ultra, I usually turn the screen timeout off and put it on 15 minutes. But as you see right here, it has a little selection, keep the screen on. So click that so the screen will stay on, it won't time out. Accounts added. Here's all my Google accounts that it's going to be adding. Click next. Getting account info. It's going through, just a sec. It's going. Checking. Click next. Just a sec. Click more. Next. Accept. Skip. It's trying to set up the phone while it's transferring all the stuff, because like I said, the phone is brand new. I just got it, and it's asking me to sign into my Samsung account. So I'm gonna sign in. Be back. Here we go. Instructions about the phone. Don't do this, don't do that. There we go. The beauty. It should be transferring all my information. If you look at the top at the notifications, I'm gonna drop down. It's at 31%. It's been transferring all the information while I set up the phone. There we go. Here we go. 31%, 7 minutes left. Backing up app data. Again, click this keep screen on so it don't time out and stop doing. Copying your stuff. Copying the information from my S20 Ultra to the new Samsung Z Fold 2 5G. Pause this. I'll be back once it's complete. Hopefully that minute goes by pretty fast. Again, if you just joined, I'm transferring the information from my S20 Ultra to my Samsung Z Fold 2 5G through wire, through data cable. 94%, 95%, 1 minute left. It says, copying your stuff, do not disconnect the cable. Keep screen on, keep screen on. 97%, 1 minute left. It's now transferring the images. Now it's at the videos, 9 videos of 17, 16 of 17, 98%, 1 minute left. Transferring the music, documents. It's just about done, 99%. And then once this, I'll post another video of how to do it through the computer, which is almost the same process. There we go. Done copying your stuff. We're organizing your stuff in the background, and we'll let you know when that's finished. In the meantime, enjoy your new phone. Check the home screen. All done. To get the most out of your new Galaxy, check out the tips on your new phone. So click, go to the home screen, and here we go. Let's see. Smart switch, organizing your stuff. So it's gonna be a while for it to finish doing everything, but that's how you transfer your data from your old phone to your new phone through the USB cable, the USB connector. Let's see. Yeah, it's still doing all my stuff. It don't have any of my apps on there yet, but it's adding them. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.